Welcome to Topline Pavement Services, where quality and durability meet the road. As a leading pavement company, we specialize in providing top-tier asphalt paving solutions for both residential and commercial properties. Whether you need a new driveway, parking lot resurfacing, or complete pavement repair, our team of experienced professionals has the skills and equipment to get the job done right, on time, and within budget. At Topline, we don't just pave surfaces, we pave the way for long-lasting durability. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, our team ensures that every project we take on is built to withstand the elements and heavy traffic. From initial planning to final inspection, we pay attention to every detail, ensuring your investment lasts for years to come. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We work closely with every client to understand their needs and deliver customized solutions that exceed expectations. Ready to get started on your next paving project? Contact Topline Pavement Services today for a free consultation and let us help you create the perfect pavement for your property.